Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 7 Plus if you're having issues that says no service, invalid SIM searching, or basically no service is on your device. You want to follow these steps. So very first thing you want to go ahead and do is pull up that control menu like this from the very bottom by swiping up, and then turn on the airplane mode for 10-15 seconds and then turn it off, and that does a quick network refresh. Now after you have done that, the next thing you're going to check is if there's a carrier update out. So go into your settings and then go to general and about and wait on this page for about 10-15 seconds. If there is a carrier update available, it's going to say update carrier, and then you click on that option. Now if you're still having issues, the next thing to make sure that from your main settings here, you're going to go to general and then go to device and VPN here. And if you have a VPN turned on, you need to turn off or disable that VPN as it can interfere with your network. Now, after you have done that, it's time to go ahead and remove and reinsert the SIM card. So we're going to take a SIM ejector tool. Now, if you don't have a tool like this, you can also take a paper clip and bend it, or a earring piece as well. And all we're doing is locating the SIM tray and then putting the tool in, and then giving it a push to pop that SIM card out, and then reinsert it back in. Make sure it sits nice and flush against here, and then we're gonna just turn off, and that will help as well with the service. Now if you're still having issues, next thing to check out is in your settings, general, and the about page again, and to make sure your SIM card is compatible with your iPhone. If it says no SIM restriction, that means most SIM card should work on this phone. It's unlocked. But if it says SIM locked, make sure you're using a SIM card from that carrier that it is locked to. Now, if you're still having issues, the next thing to do, again, starting from the settings here, go to general, then scroll all the way down to transfer reset iPhone. Tap on that, click on reset, and we're going to do a network setting reset. This will not delete any of your data. Completely safe to do, but something you need to do if you're still having issues. Now, next thing you want to do is go ahead and basically restart your device. So you can hold down the power button like this, and then slide to power off, and then hold the power button again to power back on. Now, if that isn't working, you can also do it from your settings, general, scroll down to shut down, and slide to power off. And if the button isn't working, you can plug it into a charger. It will reboot your phone. Now, let's say you did this, it's still not working. It's time to update the phone itself. So in your settings, go to general, software update, and if there's an update available, go ahead and update your phone to that latest version. Finally, if none of this is working, you might have to contact your carrier or the company that you get your phone service from to make sure your account is active. There's no issues with your account. Sometimes they might need to re-add your phone to your line or reactivate your device. They can help you on their end. It's something that they can do. In any case, I hope this video was helpful in fixing those issues for you. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.